my name is Evelyn. I'm CEO of Landmark.com. I'm from Bandung. Based from Eden Strategy Institute, a strategic consultant firm in Singapore, Bandung is listed in top 50 smart city in the world. Based on data, Indonesia have approximately 62 million micro enterprise. Let's say 10% will level up to small medium enterprise, so it have potential to 6 and 2 million. Landmark target is 1 million entrepreneur using Landmark software. Technology with internet is so cheap and easy. Landmark is focused on the back office system, which now have 175 products that can be used instantly in 7 wonders in retail, gold, fabric textile, spa, cafe, pet shop, pharmacy, beauty in Indonesia. Landmark is IT consultation cloud manufacture products. Today, we will discuss how Levatech Landmark Fabric Textile, one of our products, help one of our customers, Dunia Sandang in back office management system. I will switch to Mr. Aldri Satria Gusmon, where he is in the Dunia Sandang with the owner and with Mr. Vishnu Valentino.
Hello everyone, I'm Aldri Satria Gusmon. Today I will be the moderator. As you know, Landmark help people transform the complexity to compact, but complete feature with affordable price, especially in back office system that people can be used instantly. Now, I together with Mr. Vishnu and Mr. William, we will discuss more about how the technology nowadays help the business and what do we expect the technology for the future. Okay, hello Mr. William and Mr. Vishnu.
Hello, good morning.
Okay, can you introduce yourself? First Mr. William and then Mr. Vishnu. Okay.
My name is William Tan. I'm the owner of Dunia Sandang in Bandung. We established in 2012. We focus on textile. We have achievement in Muri for one-stop garment supplier and achievement for 50 best textile supplier, and we keep growing and developing some action to penetrate the market right now.
Okay, thank you. How about Mr. Vishnu?
Yeah, okay. Hello, Mr. William.
Hello,
Mr. Aldri. I'm Vishnu. I did my bachelor actually in Bandung. I did it for after that I continued to China, and previously I was a lecturer in Maranatha Christian University for 3 years, and now I've been exploring about the cloud system, about the networking for 12 years. I think it's around 12 years, and I like to make automation, especially in the field of cloud system and server. That's
okay. Thank you, Mr. William and Mr. Vishnu. Oh, great experience, yeah. Stay keep in your eyes. Welcome in Hana Farmasi live streaming. Today we will discuss about how the technology nowadays help the business and what do we expect from the technology in the future, especially in Indonesia with Mr. William and Mr. Vishnu Valentino. Okay, first for Mr. William, can you explain a little bit about how you found Dunia Sandang?
I found Dunia Sandang in 2012 with some friends, and then it's been like 9 years now, and as I mentioned before, we achieved some awards like from Muri and the 50 Best Award for textile supplier, and now we still developing some program for customer satisfaction.
Oh, okay. Can you tell about little bit secret about your achievement and Muri and Dunia Sandang right now?
Actually, we keep developing using IT.
Oh, okay.
IT, because IT is quite important for make sure the quick answer for customer, for stocks, for other things, also in digital media, and we with Miss Evelyn and Mr. Vishnu, I developed some program that makes sure the stocks is real time. That's what makes difference and help we do the service quickly.
Can you explain again how important the back office, Mr. Wisnu and program, how it can be help run your business?
We developing barcode. Barcode that's quite important to receive goods and sending goods for quicker. And then other things, the back office can check the stocks up to date. And Mr. Wisnu also helping for us to make online shop for retail textile.
Okay, thank you. How about the pandemic today and how you face it, and will it any futuristic project that you will do for the pandemic right now?
We've been quite lucky that we finished the project on 2019, so it's before pandemic.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, at that moment, our staff is quite a lot, like almost 80. Is quite a lot for like textile industry. But within the software that I use from Mr. Wisnu, we can make efficiency and reduce the employee to 50%. And other things we doing expanding in the online retail textile. We've been doing for, I think that's it.
Okay, thank you, Mr. And then I will to Mr. Wisnu.
Okay.
Yeah. What actually Landmark did, Mr. Wisnu?
Yeah, actually what Landmark do is we are building the back office system with small modules. Actually our background is from the ERP system, but we make it like the small modules so we can give to the consumers much more for them. So that's why we say that we are the cloud provider, and it's not like the common cloud provider, because in our cloud we only have one client. So that's why we say ourselves that we are the premium cloud provider, because we know that the back office is like the heartbeat of the company. So that's why we don't want to mix this company with the other company, which is, I just feel that it's insecure. So that's why we give the best for our customer. And we focus in back office for the fabric and textile and gold, jewelry, diamond, and then IoT. IoT, we are in progress in IoT, so all people, much more like all the people, our customer, we can help much more with the technology, because we know nowadays running business, it can be everywhere, because with the technology the simplicity is there. And I know that many people everywhere, they can access their stocks, their transaction only from their phone or from their tab. Isn't right?
Yep.
Mr. William.
Okay.
Yeah.
He's the one who knows much more about it.
It helps a lot.
Check omset in his handphone.
Yes. I think that's it.
Oh, okay, thank you. We know Landmark have ecosystem in cloud software. How about it? The fabric, textile, gold, jewelry. It will be the ecosystem in business in Indonesia. How about you can explain about the ecosystem?
Yeah, we are really happy to make the ecosystem from the beginning until the end. As we know that Dunia Sandang in this place, that Mr. William, these companies provide many fabric and textile things, like the clothes as you can see in the background. So how we can help our customers also to market all of these things, their goods, to the end. So we want to build the ecosystem from the beginning until the end, so everything can be in one single chain, so everyone can feel the benefit from there with a lower price, because there is a much shorter chain on there.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Wisnu. And I'm back to Mr. William. Okay, since Mr. Wisnu ping you back about the system in Landmark, can you explain what exactly Landmark system for you and your business? There is example, you can check your omset in your handphone or the stock in your handphone. What exactly?
I think it's pretty much what Mr. Wisnu already explained before. Yeah, it's quite simple. We can access everywhere, and we do a lot help in the stocks real time, and mostly we can measure the efficiency of the employee.
Okay, in today and Landmark software help you. What you expect the technology should be in the future, and for your business or today about the pandemic. In the future, what do you
expect?
Yeah, what do you expect?
I expect some developing mostly. Yeah, but in the pandemic, the business cycles is quite changed.
Oh,
Quite changed. So we have like updating with like online, how we can because not many people traveling and some of the companies or customers they realize that they don't have to go to like they can do or they can efficiency their organization and simplify everything, so it's more efficiency. So basically we have to keep developing and thinking how to communicating and make it easier for everyone to do, like to gather the information from us, like we do e-catalog and so on.
oh, okay. Can you tell me again about your product in Dunia Sandang? I see the hazmat suit, the jacket or the hijab. You can explain the product in Dunia Sandang?
Basically, we only support the fabric and all the things that need for productions. We doing services as well, like digital printing. We sell pasta for printing. Yeah, and but basically we support. We sell the fabric, and also we provide like accessories, make pattern, something like that.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Mr. William, is there any insight, last update or news you want to pop up today for the audience so they can more aware the future condition in the technology, both inside in your business and the technology?
Now we focus on the digital more to publish information, and now what I will do is we developing some investing company for our customer. So like there is like two types of customers, which is newcomers and existing comers. Within this pandemic, we try to funding their business so they can sell more without difficult to thinking about the production of their goods. So they just have to sell. They have idea, they have to sell, and they can leave the rest to us.
Oh, okay, I see. Thank you, Mr. William. And Mr. Wisnu, the same question. Is there any insight, last update or news you want to pop up today for the audience so they can more aware about the future technology and about the future business?
The beginning, I just want to flash back to the ecosystem like the one you just said before.
Yep.
Like Landmark, we want to provide from the back office, drive-through system and kiosk expedition, brand online, payment gateway and marketplace integration. So we also thought that one day we will make one product where the salesperson, when they come to the shop or to the shop owner, the salesperson come and then he just say, okay sir, which one you want to order, and choose with one single question, with one single authentication, and the sales just click OK, and then the stock will transfer automatically to the shop. or to the company. So it's as easy as like that, because we know that there is many redundancy in the retail system, fabric, textile, gold, or everything, all the businesses. It's many redundancy that with the technology we can cut that, so it can be much more shorter and don't need like the many like authentication again. When the good come, we need to authenticate again. So many process we can cut down. And we know that the pandemic is also the reset time for all people in the world, I think. Because it's not only like nowadays I read one quote about, it's not only the big beat the small anymore. Nowadays it's the fast beat the slow. So if you are slow, you will get beaten, no matter how big you are. So it doesn't matter that, oh, I'm small, but you are fast, you will beat the big one, because the big is slow. So it's like that. And the technology will help humanity a lot in efficiency. That's why I say, both in time, cost, simplify the planning and strategy. And Landmark, as the IT consultant, we have more than 175 products. With automation, it can cut the efficiency. We can cut the efficiency and operational costs from the backbone, marketing, sales. That's what I say before. And if the application of the technology is developed and good, will be tighter, the competition will be tighter, so the customer will get the best from all of this development of the technology. So that's why Landmark, we will keep increase the product, the services, and all the plan ahead, because we know that there is many things that the technology can do, especially for all the people in the world. That's I say. So I hope that all people in the Europe, Germany especially, and all people in the world, we can connect together, collaborate, especially if you want to build the company in Indonesia, and we can collaborate to make it together. We are really open, and you can contact us. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Vishnu. Okay,
Yeah.
wow, the great insight and information today. Today speak with Mr. William and Mr. Vishnu. Thank you for taking the time to attend this event. Thank you for the audience who already with us in Hannover Messe live streaming. That today we already discussed about how the technology nowadays help the business and what do we expect from the technology in the future, especially in Indonesia. If you want to 3C, contact, connect, and collab with Mr. William from Dunia Sandang and Mr. Vishnu Valentino from Landmark, you can contact at is below. Okay. Okay. Thank you. See you. Landmark believe everyone is CEO. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Mr. William.
Thank you, Mr.
Yeah.
William. Thank you, Mr. Vishnu.
Okay.
Okay, as we know, you already hear how the technology help and what we expect the technology in the future. So what Landmark have? This is the level for retail. We have from Venapost, Lamppost, Speed Lamppost, and LandERP. And we know you are so special and so unique in your business strategy. We also have for gold and jewelry, click legold.id. We also have fabric textile, click levatech.com. And more information you can find out us in landmark.com, and for the business certification you can also get in lamtron.id. Okay, so what Landmark have for you? We have customer relation management with membership, birthday, religion, traffic, and favorite products shopping in your shop. And we also have supply chain and inventory management with the history price tracking and reminder if the stock under the minimum or with the block inventory. And the third, we have point of sales with 2 price system, fixed and negotiable, seller's commission, and payment tracking. 5 answer why you use Landmark. First, we use premium domain cloud, so unlimited user and unlimited computers. Second, all our product is upgradable from POS to inventory and to what needed like debts and receivable, WIP or work in progress, planning and strategy and monitoring, BOM or bill of material, ERP, financial accounting, tax, payroll, KPI, and HR. The third, all our product is also upgradable to e-commerce or personal brand online, payment gateway, expedition, drive-thru system, M-kiosk, self-service, and marketplace integration. 4. We have training and mentoring. 5. We have lifetime free customer support in WhatsApp group support and support ticket. If digital help in efficiency, especially in operational and employee costs, then what solution for the unemployment? So Landmark understand this issue, so that's why Landmark have Borjuin that help new entrepreneur with training and mentoring. So when they use Borjuin for the new entrepreneur, from back office, the administration, the financial, it's all set done. And how about the sales and marketing? We also have the reseller system for them. So not just help the new entrepreneur, we also help the new people with unemployment with didn't have any products to have self together. We have the e-catalog and their online shop integrated and flow system management. Because as we begin the new entrepreneurship, there is a lot of stuff to do and all set done in Borjuin. So how we set it done? We give them training and assist also for their business in WhatsApp group support, in webinar, and business education for rank.